Hey everyone, thanks for joining the channel. Today I'm doing a quick video on the field stripping of the Ruger LCP Max 380. Nice little carry pistol, especially if you can't carry anything bulkier because of what you're wearing or what activity you're doing. So we'll go ahead and take it apart, put it back together, and go from there. Okay, so here I've got my LCP Max ready to go. It is not loaded, as you can see. There's nothing inside of it. I've got no magazine and obviously nothing in the chamber. I don't have any ammunition in my workspace, which is a habit of mine. So to take this apart is very simple. There's just one little pin. All you need to do is remove the pin, and that pin is right here, if you can see it. It's black, it's kind of hard to see. It's right at the end of my Q-tip. Okay, so this is the pin you're going to remove when you're ready. This pin does not protrude through the other side, so you can't push it. You see? So you just need to kind of pry it and pop it off. The slide needs to be forward, so I'm going to put it back in the battery. Okay, it just needs to be lined up like normal. You could use a nylon pick, screwdriver, whatever you want. Obviously, I use my little screwdriver here, which seems to be the easiest. I also have nylon picks that I sometimes use. So what you're going to do is the pin's right there. I'm just going to put it under there enough to get it started. Make sure you put your finger, your hand over it. I have popped it off before where it went flying, so just be careful of that. So I'm just going to do it till you hear it pop. Okay, and you heard the click, hopefully. And it's now you can kind of see, you could just pull it out, but you can see it's protruding a little right here. So all you have to do is take it out, and as always, I'm going to put it in my magnetic tray so that I don't lose it. And now all you have to do is bring the slide forward, and it comes apart into two pieces. So I've got my lower, I'm going to set that over here, and now I've got my slide, and like most semi-autos, right, I've got my recoil spring. So I'm going to take that off with the rod, just push it forward, up and out. It has two springs, a larger outer spring and a smaller inner spring. And then you have the rod. It doesn't matter what direction these springs go. They'll go on and work either way. And then just remove the barrel. Work the barrel out. And I'm done. So now I've got all my pieces ready to clean. And that's it. Not a lot to it, very basic. So once you get it all cleaned up, and now you just put it back together, just go in the opposite direction. So I'll put the small spring on the rod first, and again, either way the spring goes doesn't matter. Same with the larger spring. I'll take my barrel, set it back in, let it sit. There's a notch right here in the barrel lug, or on the barrel lugs, which this is pretty common with semi-automatics. So you're just going to push the rod back in, flat side goes to the rear so it'll fit in the notch, and you just want to push it forward and down. It's in place. Then I can take my lower, line it up, flip it back over, and I'm good to go. Once it's back, you just want to put it back to its original position, and now you just need to put the pin in. Putting the pin in is easy, it's just a round pin. So what you kind of want to do is you want to angle it up just a little and then push it straight, bring it so that it'll fit. Okay, that's that simple. I hold on usually to the slide from the rear because I don't want to obviously cover myself, and the slide will sometimes move forward when you're messing around with it, but if you just hold it back, it's fine. Put it in, then you're just going to push it till it clicks, and I'm done. That's it. Then it's back together, good to go. So one of the things I did want to talk about real fast, now that you're pretty much ready to go to the range, is just the magazines you get with it, which is why I kind of like it. So when I bought it, I got two magazines. I get a 10 round mag, so I have 10 plus 1, right? Again, I always carry with the round in the chamber, magazine topped off, or a 12 plus 1, right? So the 10 plus 1 is here. You can see it's empty. I have no ammunition. But just to kind of show you, it sits right there, flush. It's still real small and easy to conceal, even like in a pocket holster. You wouldn't even know it's there. So it's pretty small. And then your 12 round mag was just a little larger. But again, with the sleeve on the bottom, it does actually give you a little grip space. But for a pocket holster, which I've used before, especially in law enforcement as a backup, you can kind of see the outline because it is a little bigger. But depending what you're doing, it really doesn't matter. But it's nice to have the extra couple rounds if this is all, especially if this is all you're carrying because you're hiking or at the gym or whatever you're doing. Anyway, that's it. That's simple, easy to carry, and now it's all clean. It's ready. Off to the range I go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me at Mark, that's M-A-R-C, at msddefense.com, or call 817-964-3088. Visit msddefense.com for a list of the NRA courses we offer, as well as other services. So until next time, stay safe out there, watch your six, and I'll see you at the range.